Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the new video, and in this video we will learn how to use a jade roller. Jade roller is a new beauty product that has been lately introduced in our skincare regime. I have also tried using it, and the results are quite impressive. Like seriously, I have seen a major change in my skin. So let's start and see how to actually use a jade roller and not to make any mistake while using it, so that you can get the desired results you want. So let's get started. So guys, this is the product that I'm using here. This is the Jade Roller by Bronson Professional. This I bought from the app called Purple. I'll put the link for this one in the description below, so do check it. This is a great product that I have been using for a quite while now. And this is how it looks. Such a marvelous product, man. So, before starting using a jade roller, what you have to do is to apply a facial oil or a very good hydrating serum. The serum I am using here is this one. This is by Ilana. This is a brightening skin serum with papaya and lemon extracts. This is a beautiful serum, guys. You need to try this if you want a glowy and perfect skin. So, let's start. You can see that this one comes with a pump, so you just pump out a little and spread the serum on your face like this. Make sure to apply it on your neck as well. Now, while starting using a jade roller, you need to be very careful about that. The movements you do will be upwards and outwards, because if you do it otherwise, there will be a change in your blood flow which will not benefit you. So I'll show you how to do it first, and then I'll explain you step by step. You need to start from your neck like this. Apply a little pressure. From here you need to go outward like this. Do each movement 10 times. On your cheeks you need to go this like this. You need to go from downwards to upwards. Same you have to do here. Now on your eye area you have to use this small one, and you have to go like this. Be gentle here because the skin is so sensitive, so move the roller very carefully. On your hairline, just do with the big part of the roller from forehead to your hairline like this. This helps in blood circulation. It really brings a very good glow on your skin, and it makes your skin wrinkle free. Now from your eyebrows to your temples. Make sure to apply a little bit of pressure, because otherwise it won't work and you won't find any results after using it for a week or two. But if you do it properly, you will see a major change in your skin in a week or two. So must try. You can repeat the steps again if you find that your skin is not really pumped and you don't feel any major change. So guys, this was it, and hope this video was helpful for you. One more thing is that when you buy the product, read the instructions given at the back. They have written extensively about how to use the product, how to make the movements and everything in detail. So read them, read all of them, and get a very good knowledge on how to use this product. And I would suggest you to use this, because this is a great product to include and to invest, because it totally changes your skincare game. You might be trying so many products, but try this one, please. Just a suggestion. Take it. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. मिलते हैं फिर और एक और वीडियो के साथ. Till then, bye bye.